In the last videos, we covered HTML, we completed CSS, we completed almost Bootstrap also. The major of Bootstrap already we enjoyed, we saw. Okay, like so now I have one small requirement for you people, not requirement. I have a small guidelines for you people. So with these three things, is it possible to develop static website or not? Okay, static website. Is it possible to develop static website or not? Yes. Beautiful colors we can use, navbar we can use, Bootstrap we can use, gallery we can use. Okay, like we can place what we call address. Okay, like suppose here one of your assume that some of my friend, okay, your friend is running a small cloths shop, a small kirana shop, or otherwise cloth shop. Okay, like so what you can do is so better to ask him to share the logo. Okay, logo, like can you please create a small static website, a small static website. Okay, launch this website, launch this website, a small static website, just a 3 or 4 pages. Okay, like so on so contact us. Okay, so on so contact us. Okay, like location map, how you can embed Google Map and so on. You can open the Google and just check how to use Google Map. Okay, like so like contact us, location. Next, what kind of services that person is going to services, what kind of services that person is going to provide. Next, can you please host, and share, okay, that link and the website as a gift to your friends. Okay, your friend. Yeah, have you observed, right? Can you please try this part? Only remaining thing is you have to explore on your own. Okay, so just sir, I develop in my local mission, but now I have to purchase, I have to buy a domain you require to buy. Okay, like you have to buy a domain, and after buying that domain, okay, how you can host your application, yeah, these are two things, better to explore from the Google on your own. Don't worry, sir, I don't think these things are not a bigger problem. If any person, if any of your friend is working as a web designer and so on, just try to get the help from that person. GoDaddy is there, how to buy a domain from the GoDaddy. Next, how to buy hosting space from the GoDaddy, like yes, you have. Just if you are going to do a small website, then I can feel very happy. For the last few days, whatever efforts we kept, sir, now I can feel very happy. I'm in a position to convert into that. Okay, like if you are going to build okay, small web application, like now you can contact your friends. Okay, you can contact your friends, or anyone having requirement of okay website development. Please let me know. Just when compared with outsiders, just with very low price, nominal price, I can develop and I can give. So because I'm your friend, whatever customization you require anytime, I will help. Like better to start. Are you getting right? Okay, to start your own business. Yes, this knowledge is I hope helpful until sir only static content. Okay, sir, what about dynamic? I want to do some processing kind of thing. That part in the Django we will take care. I hope, are you in the position to understand basic level we can develop? Clear for you people, right? Yeah. Can you please develop a small website on your name? Okay, on your name, or on your father name, mother name, and so on, or otherwise your girlfriend name. Okay, like just at my childhood, I had one girlfriend is there. Just I tried to create one website, whatever the sweet memories, okay, the gifts, whatever I got, all these things are what she likes, all these things I kept inside a website, and I shared that link, okay, to my girlfriend. Getting the point, right? Okay, this type of gift also is going to be is going to be very do you know, surprising, some special kind of gift. Okay, gift a website. Gift a website on her name, gift a website on his name. What a beautiful thing. So I developed, I just I thought this type of thing also we can do, like software gift. Okay, now you can fulfill your what we can use the word, you can fulfill, you can fulfill, this type of thing. Okay, like, so you can keep so just a small block kind of thing develop. It should be the permanent. This is your website, gifting a website. Babita, I did this type of thing, but once I married, all these things I left. Otherwise, my cinema will become horrible, right? Yeah, clear, right? Any explanation is required. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, Manish, how to do hosting, these kind of things. You have to dig on your own. Getting right? How these are things you have to dig on your own. Okay, like, so really, sir, we are not in a position to do on our own. No problem. I will try and I will show for you people, right? But anyway, at least from this batch, 2 to 3 members are going to succeed. Sir, I gifted this website to my mother, to my father, or otherwise to my girlfriend. Can you please? This is the link. I'm expecting just within a couple of days. Sir, this is the website I developed. I want that. Then automatically that person is going to guide how he purchased your domain. Next and after that, how he hosted these things, he is going to share, or he or she is going to take care. Okay, no problem. If still no one is going to do, I will be there. Why you have to worry about that? Yeah, free hostings are there. Free hostings first check, and then better to go for paid hosting. Free hosting, better to check, and then once you are feeling comfortable, then you can go for paid hosting. You are not required to pay single paisa. First, even the link also you can generate from the free hostings. Heroku is free. Next, and after that, Python Anywhere.com is the free. Okay, like 100 days hosting will be there. Like, are you feeling comfortable, right? Are you going to do? How many people? Can you please just can you please confirm? Up to this only, static website, 4 or 5 pages I want. 4 or 5 pages I want. Okay, yeah, definitely. Can you please do this one, so that whatever we learned up to this, yes, fulfillment will be there, happiness by default will be there for you people. Okay, so gift, you learned these things to give website gift for your girlfriend, or for your boyfriend, or for your mother or father, like. Okay, yeah, so clear, right? Yeah, good. Okay, so now we will go for one more application, sir. Yeah, we will go for one more application we have to do, so that you will get much clarity, right? Okay, so what's my application is Durga dating app application. Okay, dating app I want to develop, sir. Okay, like, how we can do that? It's a very simple. Nothing will be there, sir. What I will do is just have a look once, sir. I had this application already, right? I had this application already there with me. So here, what that application is looks like, I don't know. So this is some application what I developed, right? Okay, don't worry much about that. So this is the CSS file what I had. Okay, so this is my own CSS also. I wrote something like, okay, no, don't worry at all. So now my question here is, sir, how it looks like? Now observe that carefully. Now observe this carefully, right? Okay, so here just have a look once. Durga dating app only for senior citizens and the kids, just for fun. Okay, this is the get started. Okay, can you please get started, like something like next, and after that at the top, Durga dating app. Next, home, about us, services. Okay, like sign up, login, something like yes, you had just so the same thing, right? Okay, the same thing you can develop with the real images, a static content, a static content. You can do, right? Have you observed what there? Just now this type of thing we can easily develop, sir. Can I go for that? Can I go for this one, right? Okay, this is what there. It's very simple, sir. Here, do you know what is this one? What is this one? What is this one, sir? This is the navbar. Again, this is the navbar. Next time after that, here I use of the grid. This total thing is one grid. This grid contains only one row. Only how many elements are there? Only one element is there. Okay, this total thing is one element. Why I'm taking this grid? This grid here is so for responsiveness, easy responsiveness sake, I took this one, sir. Okay, now my question is how you can develop, sir. This button is something like this button itself is something like okay, this is what we call bootstrap button. Okay, like so this type of thing I want to develop. How we can do that, sir? Sir, can we go from the scratch? Shall we develop this? If we are going to develop 2 or 3 like this, then nothing will be there, sir. Okay, like yeah. Let me take yes, here new file dating 1 dot HTML I'm taking, sir. Okay, well next dating 1 dot CSS. Let me take dating 1 dot CSS. Okay, like now HTML boilerplate code. This is the general code which is required for everything is called boilerplate code. Okay, this is just let me here in this let me take Durga dating app. Durga dating app. Okay, like I'm trying to take dating app. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Next time after that, here just my CSS file is also there. Okay, I can link up this one, don't worry. But before that, let me make sure bootstrap Syrian, all these things I want to take. What I have to take care is, yeah, can you please observe that carefully, right? Okay, now I'm trying to take get bootstrap.com. Okay, sir, here we version 4.6. Yes, CSS Syrian, sir. Okay, like that. Now do you know all these things are no longer difficult for you? Okay, here this is what is the min.css. All these things are very common things, right? If you are going to develop some 5 to 6 applications, then you will become expert in that area. Don't worry, right? Okay, like next but here to work Hamburger, compulsory JavaScript must be required, but to work Bootstrap JavaScript, compulsory jQuery must be required. That's why let me go for those things also. Okay, like yes, here just copy. What I will get here is the first one is the jQuery, next one is the here JavaScript. Don't worry, right? Okay, now let me copy paste these two things inside body. Okay, anywhere you can copy paste like this one, sir. I did like this, right? Sir, up to this, are you feeling comfortable? Any explanation is required about this? Next, our CSS file is also I wrote better to link up that CSS file also. Okay, like yes, what is the CSS file I have to take? Dating 1 dot CSS I have to take care. Yeah, clear, right? So just I added Syrians. Beyond that, I added Syrians. Beyond that, nothing, sir. I didn't do anything. Next, let me add what I want to do here. So in any order you can take, no problem, right? In any order you can take. Let me add look at this part first. Have you observed? Let me add grid first, and then we will talk about the navbar, background, all these things, right? One by one we will take. At last must be required. Some people may feel first navbar and then remaining things and so on. In any order you can take, no problem. At last our website is ready or not. This is about my requirement, right? Okay. So now any order you can take, Narendra. I'm telling that any order you can take, no issue. At last it is ready or not. Okay. So randomly I'm talking about this grid. Okay, like sir, now here how you can take the grid? Anyone can you please guide? I don't know. I forgot. How you can take the grid, sir? To write this we can declare simple heading tag. Heading tag is enough. But why I'm taking inside a grid is so do you know just for what we call responsiveness sake. No problem. Just we know, right? Okay, like sir, div class is equal to container. Div class is equal to container. Next time after that div, sir, class is equal to row. Next div class is equal to call hyphen, okay, 12. So if I can take a call hyphen 12, how many elements I can take per row? Please confirm how many items I can take per row, only one item, okay, like, because that's about my requirement, right? Okay, h1 normal h1 I'm trying to take normal h1 Durga dating yap, Durga dating yap, okay, like I'm trying to take Durga dating yap, like this I'm trying to take, sir. So next h3 I'm trying to take, okay. So here only for senior citizens, only for, okay, senior citizens, only for senior citizens and for kids, okay, just for fun, okay, like I'm trying to take this h3 tag, right? Okay, that's all. So beyond that we are not required to take anything, just observe a bit very carefully about this one. So next if you observe my thing, yes, here it is there, even one hr, this is hr also there, okay. Let me take that hr, okay, horizontal line, hr means horizontal line, and then I want to take yes, this button. Can I go for bootstrap buttons? Can I go for bootstrap button? Yes, why not, okay. Just I don't want to remember that bloody class names also. I told, right, do you are not required to remember anything, yeah, anything related to, sir, like, so buttons, I want to take a button, okay. Here in the button, which button you want to take, okay. So something like this large button or otherwise small button, like I want to take, sir, okay. So let me take this button, okay. I'm taking this button, sir, okay. Just copy paste this button I'm taking. Now here large button, get started. Here what I wrote this one here is in the dating, yeah, get started, get started, okay. Like I want to take get started or something like, no issue, okay. Yeah, btn primary means blue color is going to come. If you want, you can override that color, no problem, right? Okay, get started, something like I'm trying to take it. Yeah, we will take care, don't worry. So now up to this whatever we did, let me cross check, let me cross check here, like, yeah, perfect. So I got this one, okay. It is my based on my expectation only, Durga dating, yeah, only for senior citizen, something like that. Yeah, any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable up to this? Any doubt about this? Nothing. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, sir. Okay, like just I added. Okay, this is grid. In the grid I'm taking, even grid also not required. You can take normal div tags also. It is going to be acceptable. Okay, now my question is, yes, observe carefully about this one, sir. Okay, grid is ready, grid is ready up to this one, sir. Now, so what I want to take is, okay, this data is not in the center, correct, right? This data is not in the center, not in the center. Call to means sir, row means sir. Who is asking this doubt? Adinarayana, you missed the last sessions, I hope. Can you please refer? Okay, like, yeah. Now here just observe a bit carefully. I want this content in the middle. I want this content in the middle. What I have to take, where this content is there, inside container. Can you please confirm inside container? Is it there or otherwise? This is my total content, right? Up to this is my total content. What I will take here, why I have to touch that bootstrap class names, let me take these things inside my div. Okay, I want to take my own div tag, no problem, right? My own div tag I'm taking. So these are things, whatever you want to define styling, sorry, whatever you want to define styling, you can take these things somewhere here. I want common styling for all these things. That's why let me take my own class content. Have you observed? So can I take id, like, is it acceptable or not? How many times I'm going to use this one is only once. If I'm going to use multiple times, then better to go for class. Okay, class based or id based, like, sir. Now in the css file, how I can define, okay, how I can define that? Anyone, can you please tell? As content, okay. First question what I have to take is, can you please align text to the center? Okay, text align center. Okay, like that. Now let me, yeah, perfect, it's coming, sir. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable about this? Durga, dating app only for senior citizen, something like I'm getting. Next, here my question is, can you please, okay, so this one I want to make it down. Okay, if you want to make it down, what is the way? Margin top. Have you remembered? At our childhood somewhere we covered margin top. Okay, margin top you can take. Margin top is okay, some 100 pixel I'm taking. What will happen? We will see the result. No problem, right? Okay, like, yeah, 100, it is not enough. Okay, now let me take some 200 pixel. If you want, you can increase or decrease, no problem at all. Yeah, feeling comfortable? Feeling comfortable, right? Okay, even you can take padding top is also, so something like you have multiple ways are there, okay, to do that. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, next, what's my next requirement here is, let me talk about, of course, this content. I will adjust this link. I will take care about this HR next, and after that this button I will take care. Don't worry at all. Now let me add the background image first, so that my application will become very colorful. Okay, so how to add? Okay, how you can take so images, right? Okay, there are several free images are available in the Google. Okay, there is one website is there, sir, Unsplash. What is that? Can you please confirm? Unsplash. This is a very common website. Very common website, where you can see, okay, multiple images, right? Okay, now observe, paid images are there, free images are there. Okay, like now from the Google Unsplash images. Okay, like, yeah, have you observed? Unsplash.com, unsplash.com. Okay, like, now here just observe that, observe it very carefully. Yes, so they are going to provide multiple images, right? Okay, now you can choose whatever image you require. You can choose whatever image you require. Okay, even you can search, even you can search for required images, right? Okay, sir, I want to search for, okay, bar images or otherwise dating images. Okay, not recommended to test to search. Okay, here just search for dating I can do. Okay, not recommended in the live session. Okay, now what I'm trying to take is, okay, what I'm trying to take is, what we have to take care is, just some background. Okay, need background images I want to use. Okay, no problem, background images I want to use, sir. Here just observe that a simple background images, right? Okay, so seems to be whatever you feel comfortable, you can use, no problem at all. Seems to be it is good. Okay, anything you can take, no issue at all, sir. Anything you can take, no issue at all. Now what I have to take, so if you feel, sir, this image is not good, yeah, you can change. Why we have to worry? Just it is a small URL change only, don't worry, sir. This image I want to take, this image I want to take, any image you can select, no problem at all. Okay, like, yeah. So next up, sir, highly recommended. Okay, if you want, you can download to your local system also. You can use that. But make sure there are some copyright issues will be there. What you can do, at least one small modification you have to do, and you require to change names, all those things. Okay, so this is one small trick. At least one small change you require to do for that image, for that image, and change the name of the image and so on. Okay, like, yeah, multiple images are there. Okay, like, so now whatever image you require, okay, like, happily you can use that, no problem at all. Okay, like, so now here just I choose some image. Or the image I choose are colorful. Okay, like yeah, this one seems to be, or otherwise this one you can take. Okay, let me take this image seems to be big colors. Okay, like yeah, here copy image address. Copy image address. Okay, how it looks like? Let me check. What I have to take for complete body? You require this one. Please respond. For complete body, you require this one, right? Body. Okay, what I have to take care? Background URL of this image we have to specify. URL of this image we require to specify. Okay, now observe that. Wow, wonderful. Okay, have you observed original image is this one, but here have you observed, right? The same image multiple times it is coming. Correct? Can you please confirm? The same image multiple times it is coming. Somewhere we had this type of problem. Have you remembered, right? Okay. So what we have to take? Background repeat. Background repeat. There is one property is there. Background repeat. 1 minute. Here. Next. Background repeat. What I have to take? No repeat. No repeat. Then automatically, yes, only one image. Wow, good. Are you getting the point, right? Good. So only once it is there. Only once it is there. Next, what my requirement is? So can you please take this image to the center? Okay. Background position. Okay, background position. I want to get a center. Sorry, I want a center. Like I'm trying to take, sir. 1 minute. What will happen because of this? Yeah, good. Background position is a center. Like I'm getting. But the problem here is, have you observed the problem? The problem here is, so do you know, it is something like a small image. I want to cover total page. Have you observed, right? I want to cover total page. Then background size, okay, is cover. Let me take it. Yeah, observe that one by one. Now, perfect. Are you feeling comfortable? Yeah. Okay. So cover is like it's going to be covered. Yeah. So seems to be, sir, this is not that much good. Okay, like I want to change some other. Okay, why you have to worry about that? Why you have to worry about this? Whatever image you require, properties are always same. Properties are always fixed. Okay, like now let me take. Okay, can I take this one? Greenery seems to be. No. Okay, like let me take this one, sir. Something like NASA image. Okay, like I'm taking. we are developing dating app, but taking NASA image. Okay, but anyway, just for learning sake only, don't worry, we are not going to deliver this one for any client. Yeah. Okay, just I changed this one. Earlier my image looks like. Now observe that. Now have a look once how it is going to be there. Yeah, wonderful, right? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, like sir, anything, any way you can do that. Text is not visible. We can change the font. We can change the text font. We can change the color. Why we have to worry about that? Everything is in our control. Okay, like yeah. So this is what you people should aware. Okay, like sir, any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Or otherwise you can take yeah. So not recommended to take much time. What I will take. So now any other? Can you please tell? So something like a flower is there, right? Flower images. Okay, something like I'm trying to take. Okay, because in that also just we took some flower kind of thing. Okay, like yeah. Like it seems to be this is good, but the problem. Yeah, that's all. I won't take. I want to take. So seems to be easy to okay, right? It is also okay. It's also okay. Or otherwise, even this one is also okay. No problem. Just sir, what if it is not visible? It is in our hand. Just change the color. Why I have to worry about that? So this is just whatever image you are feeling comfortable, you can use. No problem, right? Okay. Now the third one also I'm trying to take. Yeah. Good, good. It is something like vegetable market, not a dating app. Okay, like yeah, huh? No problem. What I will take? Yes, anything. You can use, or otherwise our brands I will. First one is only good. Okay, no problem. Yes. Okay, first image only. Hmm. We will yeah, first image, last image search. Don't worry sir, it's not this application won't take much time, don't worry. Last time I want to search for that. Can you please just select instead of flowers, love propose. Good thing. Yeah. Copy image address. Quite risky one. Yes, obviously. Yeah, yeah, at least this one is it okay? Yeah, good man. Excellent. Okay, well, so okay, well, I don't want to use. I don't want to change. Also, no problem. Here, that's all. So just I'm taking fun. Okay, like yeah. So now here my requirement is okay. Here, yes, it is ready, sir. Background image is ready. Okay, like now what I have to take care about this content, not up to the mark. Have you observed, right? Content is not up to the mark. What I will do is okay, let me make let me do some changes for this. So here uniform modification I can't, because here more font I want, here less font I want. Okay, something like, because it is a tagline, but this is the bigger thing I want to take. What I will do here is so if you want so I want a special style for this H1, special style for this H3, something like that. What I will take is okay, ID is equal to, sir, here some content C1. Okay, let me take C1. Okay, C1 like I'm taking H3. Forget about H3, sir. Let me take. So for this C1 means what? Okay, only this line, only this line, sir. Okay, like what I want to take care here is very simple, sir. Let me take this C1. How to define? Please guide. I forgot. Anyone? Can you please tell how to define? How to define this one? Okay. Ash C1. Ash C1. I'm taking, sir. Sir, here there is one small problem. Is it going to be easy? Is it there or not? Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, there is some small problem we are facing. What is the problem? In the mobile view, have you observed, right? In the mobile view, okay. So this in the back, you can see, okay, here white space. Have you observed, right? In the mobile view, we are seeing white space. Okay, like how you can solve this is a very common problem, right? How you can solve this problem is okay, what I will take is HTML. Okay, HTML. There is one tag is there, HTML like, which is going to talk about complete. Height is 100%. Okay, like height is 100%. Total HTML should be there. Okay, don't keep any what we call spaces kind of thing, any blank space like SVE. Now observe that. Okay, well, let me cross check. Okay, are you seeing any space here? Can you please confirm? Are you seeing any space here? No space, that's all. Okay, like, yeah, that's it. Clear, right? Okay, this is also one small thing you have to take care. Next search C1 content C1, right? So which color is good? Okay, can I take which color is good with this background? You can decide. Text color, which color we can take? Can I take yellow? How it looks like, I don't know. So yellow, yes, good. Okay, yellow seems to be good, like yellow. Next, do you know, I want more bigger font size, something like I want a bigger font size. So font size, okay, 5 EM. Can I take like that? At our childhood somewhere we use this type of thing. 5 EM. What is the meaning of EM units? So normal font 5 times it is going to be more relative. 5 means 5 times. Yeah, Durga dating yap. Okay, like perfect. Next, sir, I want more what we call darkness. If you want more darkness, there is somewhere we use font weight. Have you remember 100 to 900? You can take 900 means a dark, full dark. Okay, like, yeah. Okay, like Durga dating, yeah, something like we are going to get. Okay, if you feel bigger, then automatically you can take some 700 or 800, something like you can take, no problem at all. Yeah. Clear, right? Yeah. Someone is asking about why we are using HTML, CSS. We can give image size, height. Image size and height. If we are going to take like that, what will happen is what will happen is, so screen to screen the problems are going to come. Okay, image height and width should not be fixed. Sometimes you may see on the small screen, sometimes you may see on the bigger screen, like we had. Okay, like so is this one is okay? Can you please confirm? Is this one is okay, right? Fulfill our requirement. What about this one, sir? So for this, which color we will take? Only for senior citizens and kids. What I will take here is, let me take for H3, ID is equal to some C2. Like this I'm taking, sir. ID is equal to C2. Okay. Now for C2 related, okay, let me take this one. C2 related color is red. I will take C2 related color is red. I'm trying to take. Okay, now observe that. Okay, so only for senior citizens and for kids, just or I don't want this color. Okay, let me use green and what we can take, color picker. At our childhood somewhere we covered, right? Okay, seems to be not yellow. Yeah, yellowish green. I want to select yellowish green. I want to select. Okay, let me take this one. Is it going to be dark? 1 minute. No, I hope. Yeah. Now color is something like I'm taking, sir. Now observe. Yeah, is it good, right? Okay, clear. Now the next thing what we have to take care is, sir, here HR tag is there. Sir, it's not visible first. HR tag, it is not visible first. Okay, like what I will take is, there are multiple HR tag styles are available. I hope you people may aware. You people may aware. Okay, like sir, what I want to take is HR tag. Let me take HR. Okay, what I want to take is with sorry, not with here. Just observe. It is not visible first this HR tag. Okay, what I will take, is there any chance to change the color? I don't think. Is it going to change? Is it going to change? I don't think. It is not a text, right? No. It is not changing color. Okay. What I will take, is there any chance to keep a border? Okay. So 10 pixel solid red, something like. Yeah, good. Okay, 10 pixel solid red border. It's working. It's coming. What I will take, I don't want 10 pixel. Some 5 pixel. Okay, well, some 5 pixel. Okay, like so. Next, what I will take is some 3 pixel. Still, it is, yeah, seems to be very. Next, width, I don't want this much. I want to make a small width. Okay, like I want to make a small width. Okay, somewhere we took H1 tag styles also, right, from the Google. Have you remembered? We use it. Okay, no problem. We can collect from there, or otherwise we can. Next, here what I want to take, yeah. So what I want to take, width, I don't want to take much. Okay, width is okay. Width is so something like okay, some 400 pixel I'm taking, sir. If it is good, yeah, some 500 pixel. Okay, or otherwise some 30%. 40% of the screen. Yeah, is it okay, right? Can you please confirm? Yeah, friends. Okay, based on your requirement, you can increase or decrease and so on, no problem. Next, for this H1 tag, even there are ready-made styles are available. If you want, you can use those styles also. Okay, like yeah. Next, what about this get started? Okay, button is there, sir. Okay, like so this button is, if it is the orange button, it will be good. It will be, if it is the orange button kind of thing, it will be the good. Okay, like, or otherwise no problem. Let me use the same thing. Okay, like now if you want 1 minute, bootstrap buttons. Okay, like what type of buttons are there? Okay, like sir, warning, success, secondary. Okay, like yeah, please confirm. Success is the green button. Is the green, is it okay? Looks like green, is it okay? Yeah, seems to be okay. Success, like we can take, yeah, btn large, btn success, I want to take. Okay, 1 minute. What I will take here is where is the btn primary, btn lg, here btn success. Yeah, cool. Okay, next, sir, here my requirement, let me add a navbar also. If I add navbar, then okay, if I add navbar, then it will become easy. Okay, so here just what I want to take, navbar. Let me add navbar. How to add navbar? Anyone, can you please guide? I forgot. Okay, just let me take navbar. Yeah, this is my navbar. where I have to take this one inside a div container. Okay, like can I take here? Outside is the recommended because full image we took. That's why outside is the recommended because full image we took. Yeah, perfect. have you observed, right? Perfect seems to be okay. Sir, here nav bar. Okay, like Durga dating app, something like. Let me make the required changes. Where the head body instead of nav bar. Dating app. Okay, something like I'm taking. Yeah, dating app. Okay, home. I want the home as it is. Okay, next here link. What kind of link? Home about us. Home about us. One link. Next, let me take a second link. Let me take the second link. Available services. Something like available services. Okay, products something like I can take. Next this a drop down I don't want. Okay, if you want you can use a drop down, no problem at all. Okay, like that's all. Okay, so safe side, let me define one more. Okay, UL and the this form also not required. This form also not required. Okay, like let me take yeah, perfect dating app home about us services. Like here also let me take another UL for the right hand side. Yeah, ML auto. We covered already this one, right? ML auto. Next here home link is not there. Okay, here contact us. Next login or sign up. Sign up or login. Sign up or login. Okay, like you can take our login. Sign up page or login, like you can contact us. Like yeah, perfect. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, like sir, next what I want to take is yes, here just observe that what my requirement is. I want to change the background color of this one. I want to change the background color of this one, sir. So is it possible to change or not? Yeah. Is it possible to change the background color or not? Yes, why not? Yes, why not? Happily you can do that. Okay, so how we can do here is yeah, what is the way? Here nav bar expand BG light I don't want. Let me take BG dark, or otherwise let me remove this part. Okay, sir, in the last bootstrap gallery I used gallery 5.css. Okay, nav bar background green I took. Okay, can I copy paste this one? Same thing, right? What is the problem there? Okay, now let me take dot nav bar green. I'm trying to take. Yes, perfect. Next, and after that, here the letters I want yellow letters, right? Okay, next here, so whatever nav bar anchor tag, have you remembered at our childhood somewhere we covered in the last session? What is the meaning of this one? In the nav bar, for every anchor tag, can you please take yellow? Yes, sir. Why I took this one, sir? Boss, it is a mandatory. Don't apply your inheritance styles like yeah. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Okay, seems to be some look and feel. Look and feel. Forget about that. Seems to be one app is ready. Ah. Okay, logo. You can add logo next. So like you can do that. Okay, like so. The remaining, I hope. Sir, can never have margin top? Yes, you can take. No problem. Margin top you can take. Okay, like I hope it is clear for you people, right? Yes. Have you observed? Everything is good. Links also you can add what there inside links, man. Okay, what I will do is just namesake. Let me add. So here we have to add the icons. How you can add icons? Somewhere I covered, right? Somewhere I covered font. Have some icons. First CDN I have to copy. First I have to add CDN. Font have some icons like. First I have to add the CDN. Okay, like where is that? Yes, for all styles. Can you please copy this CDN? Okay, like I'm trying to take CDN. If you want all version 5.0 Pro. Okay, like yeah, where I require to add this in my dating. Yeah, here like head part. Let me add CDN for font have some icons. Okay, well, so now which icons you require? Okay, which icons you require, right? Okay, which icons you require? Here what I want to take is yeah, here just you can take login or otherwise some yesterday we used something like people. Okay, people like if you are expecting yes this image. Okay, this one I want to take. Okay, this icon I want to take. If you want to take this icon, then automatically start using this icon. Start using this icon. Copy. Where you want to take this one, sir? Do you know where you want to take? After login I want to take. Okay, after login I want to take. Okay, now here can you please confirm where is the login? Where is the login? After login I want to take here. Yeah, please confirm. Is it going to come? Perfect. Okay, if you want you can take the space also. What is the way how you can take the spaces? Ampersand. Ayo, I forgot ampersand NBSP, right? Ampersand NBSP, something like space is also will come. Don't worry, sir. Okay, space. Okay, but anyway, if you don't want space, you can remove. No problem, right? Yeah. Okay, login. Next, contact us. Some phone book I want to add. Contact us some phone icon I want to add. Okay, what I will take care. Okay, now here just can you please go back? Search icon. Phone or otherwise mail contact images are there. Contact images are there. Like these are the images. So now what we have to take? Contact us, not phone like yeah, good. These are the available things. Do you know if you want to use these it should be the paid. Okay, remember, or otherwise WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp like let me use this one, sir. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, like what I will take here is yeah, can you please start using this icon? Any icon you can use, no problem at all. So now where the contact us, just before or after I can take okay, like yeah, Can you please observe how it looks like? Yeah, good, right? Feeling comfortable? Sir, sometimes I don't want to use, I want to use here contact us is there, right? What I will take care is, okay, what I will take care is here, where is that contact us? Instead of link, hyperlink. If you want, you can take the text also. If you want, you can take the text also, right? Okay, sir, my required number is some here 9927372737, like we had some number is there, like, yeah. Can you please have a look once, friends? Is it okay, right? Okay, something, but actually here there is a WhatsApp embedded tag may be available. If you can click this one, web automatically it's going to come. There is that option is also there. Don't worry, just for your idea sake, I'm covering this one, right? Okay, like next, what remaining here, get started. Okay, green is there. Okay, well, here my requirement is I want to keep one happy icon also, because dating app, right? So more happiness must be required. Okay, happiness icons. Search icons, happy icons, smile icons. Yeah, smile or happy, like oh, good. Too much. Yeah, which smile is good? This smile is good. Yeah. Anything you can take, no problem, right? Yeah, this one we will take. Yeah, small changes you can do, no problem. Text align center inside container, like you can. Why don't you try on your own, Venkatramana? Okay, just for idea's sake, I'm showing these things. Sir, where I want this one inside button, before get started, I'm taking this one, sir. Okay, like sir, smile with hearts, something like yeah, good, sir. Here seems to be not that much good. Seems to be not that much good. Not that much good. Okay, like what I want to take is here just observe that. Okay, any other image we can take. Simple image we can take. Simple image, yeah. NBSP, like we can. Now observe. Now have a look once. Yeah, good. Are you feeling comfortable, right? Yes, friends. Are you feeling comfortable, right? Okay. Now my question here is just what I want to take is just a listen, a small thing. Of course, majority of the people having the idea, but let me take, sir. Suppose here I want to take home, about us, and the services also. Home, about us, and services. Home page I want to take. Assume that's a home page I want to take. What I will take is so let me take one more HTML. Okay, let me take one more HTML page. Okay, what is my HTML? Can you please confirm? Oi, home.html, like I'm taking. So for home.html, everything is the same. Everything is the same. Okay, like sir, as of now, here we are not worry about the duplicate code and so on. Don't worry, sir. Everything is the same. Home.html is ready. Okay, now here what you have to take is in dating.html. If I can take a home page, where is that home page? Okay, like home href. Now you have to take a home.html. Okay, like we require to take it. Now observe carefully, right? Okay, now here Just observe that. Okay, home, if I can take home, click this one, then automatically the home.html, is it coming or not? Yes, you are not seeing, you are not seeing, okay, like much, you are not seeing much here. What, there is no difference. What is the reason for that? Because of this one here. What I will take is, let me remove, okay, just navbar must be compulsory required. What I will take is, in the home page, let me take some ul. I'm taking ul, okay, like so here, just home dot lorem ipsum I'm taking, sorry, paragraph, okay, p tag I'm taking, paragraph lorem ipsum, like I'm taking. Next, and after that, here, sir, h2 tag I'm taking. We are very specialized for, okay, we are very specialized for, okay, li, something like okay, late marriages, okay, some words, whatever you want, here you can take late marriages, early marriages, or otherwise dating come, something like whatever you want, you can take x, y, z, something like whatever data you require, a, b, c, like this is the text. Okay, like client is responsible to provide, okay, here client is the responsible to provide this data, don't worry, right? Dummy template we are going to take. Okay, like now how it looks like, this is my dating1.html, right? Okay, like 1 minute, where I changed all these things in the original page. In the home page, it seems I changed all these things, it seems. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, by mistake. Okay, don't worry, by mistake I changed it. But in the home.html, it's already there. In the home.html, it's already there. What I will take is whatever I added here. Let me copy. Home.html, the same copy paste only, right? Yeah. Can you please confirm? This is the page. Okay, if I click home.html, it should go. But inside home.html, let me add this content. Okay, inside home.html, let me add this content. Navbar is required. Next, this div container and so on. This nonsense I don't want. Yeah, can you please observe a bit very carefully about this one? Okay, sir, my website is looks like this. This is my home page. This is my page. Okay, like home.html. If I click this one, yeah. If I click, there is a problem here. Home.html is not. This is the dating, right? Here I have to take href dating app. Home.html I have to take. Home.html I require to take. Yeah. Can you please have a look once? Yeah. Home.html if I can take, then automatically either home page is coming or not. I respond. Either home page is coming or not. Yes. Yes, home page is coming. Now this p tag under this h2 tag, under this data also, if you want, you can add some text alignment, like okay, in the same CSS I'm trying to use. What I have to take care. Okay, p tag, I never used p tag here. I mean, now I'm using first time. So here, what I will take is font size. Okay, font size is 3em I'm trying to take. Okay, 3em I'm trying to take. Font size is the 3em. Next, here color is okay, yellow color. Let me take. Text color is the yellow color. Yeah, here are you seeing, right? Okay, seems to be a bigger kind of thing. I don't want this much. Okay, so 1.5 em like this I'm taking. Yeah, can you please observe that 1.5? M. Okay, like so now text align center I'm trying to take. Yeah, can you please observe, sir? We are specialized for like UL tag. Okay, UL tag like so. I hope you can do right. Yes, friends. Whatever you require, I hope you can do right. Can you please confirm? Okay, yeah, what they so just you have to link up those pages. That's all. One web application is ready. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes. Okay, like 3 or 4 pages you can, sir, you can link up those things. How you can link? That's all. I linked already, right? Next, do you know there are n number of slider images like you can take. You can add sliders like ready-made things are available. Like don't worry. Yeah, here just observe the links. Currently you are in which page? Okay, dating1.html is my page. Okay, this is dating1.html is my page. Like assume that's so in general index.html or own.html something like yes, we can take. So here this is dating1.html is my main page. Okay, like now observe, this is my dating1.html. From here, if I click this one, automatically it will goes to, can you please see here? Are you seeing right? It will point into which one? Home.html. Okay, respond. If I click this one, it is point into home.html. Click here. But once you click, now I want to go back to original page. Okay, just if I click this one, it should come. But the problem here is I didn't kept. Okay, 1 minute. Now observe that. Let me open home.html. Inside home.html, wherever brand is there, dating yeah, href. Okay, dating1.html. Okay, like I took, sir. Now observe. Now have a look once. Currently we are, if I'm taking like this, automatically it will goes to my home page or not? Yeah, please observe that. Just only link up. Yeah, if I click this one, home page. Okay, means this page. If I click this one, it will goes to the home. Feeling comfortable? Okay, just link up the things proper. Okay, just only page links, that's it. So the only thing is how you can host this type of things in the in application, in the web application, how you can host in live hosting, and then provide okay, these things for your small business kind of thing, better to you tell. Yes, if you are taking like this, it will become with a very it will become, it will become fulfillness your requirement. Okay, then immediately you may ask, theoretically okay, but what is the role of Django? Here only web application is ready. Okay, like if I click login, enter username and password, who is going to validate whether you are the correct person or not? Are getting, based on your interest, showing the next level options. That is what dynamicness. Are getting that dynamic nature? If you want for your web application, then backend is required. That backend can be Django, that backend can be servlets and JSP, that backend can be ASP.NET, like multiple technologies, any technology you can use. Now thoda clarity aa gaya, I hope. Yes, in the Django, all these things we are going to use. That's why I'm explaining these things at this stage. Okay, so develop a beautiful web application and a gift to your girlfriend or gift to your mother or father, or gift to your friend who you are running a small business. Definitely it's going to be very helpful. Just as of now, static page. Okay. Next, if you are going to do, if you are going to do that, okay, then fulfillness by default is going to come. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Here is one small thing I have to explain. So I hope we completed already Bootstrap CSS like in the W3 schools. Okay, W3 school. How to? Are you seeing anywhere? Yeah, how to? Code snippets are there. Okay, how to code snippets are there, sir. Okay, like yeah. If you want a slideshow, there are several people who are expecting slideshow. Okay, sir, I want a slideshow. Okay, like yeah, appealing. Yeah, have you observed, right? Slideshow. There are several people who are asking about slideshows. I want in my web like what you have to take is learn how to. Okay, like slideshow. Okay, like so what is the create a slideshow? Can you please observe that? Div class slideshow container. So this is a HTML. Okay, like slideshow container. So now your images, image one, next image two. Okay, like so this one you have to take in your web page. Getting? Are you in the position to understand? Please confirm. Okay, like next. So these classes, CSS must be required or not? CSS must be required or not? Yes, CSS must be required. So because yeah, here have you observed, right? Class, my slides, fade, slideshow, container. These are not standard. Okay, like what we have to take? Add this CSS. Okay, CSS max width, position, margin. Like at least this terminology you people may aware, right? Okay, this terminology you people may aware. It is a class related. Okay, like next, that's all. Add this CSS. Next, JavaScript also must be required. Okay, JavaScript also must be required. Then automatically, because to display next slide, okay, like to display next slide, okay, this one JavaScript also must be required. Have you observed, right? Okay, like so this type of thing you have to take care. Next, so if you can do copy paste kind of thing, then automatically it will be. Next, slideshow gallery. Okay, like slideshow gallery. Okay, like sir, all the things will be there, so it will display. Yes, if you select this one, automatically it will come. Automatically it will come, sir. Okay, like this type of thing is gallery. Yeah, for this also create HTML, add HTML. Next, sir, CSS and then JavaScript. If you aware these three things, nothing will be there. Next, model images. Okay, something like model images like add HTML. Okay, like so do you know lightbox, okay, like sir, lightbox, this type of thing if you want. Next, hero image, something like what we have to take. Okay, have you observed, right? So hero image, I'm John, yeah, I'm the photographer, hire me, something like have you observed hero image? Hero H1P button. Okay, like hide me. Okay, like what about these things, right? Okay, so body HTML height 100%. Next, hero image. Okay, like background. That's all. For this, JavaScript is not required. Wait, clear, right? Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, better to get how to W3 schools, how to. Okay, like really this link is going to be very helpful for you to explore some new things. Okay, like yeah, someone is asking, Sharat Kumar is asking, sir, already Java and Python is there, what is the need requirement of scripting languages like JavaScript? What is the answer? Anyone, can you please tell? Anyone, can you please tell? Can you please tell the answer for this? Sir, what is the need? what is the need of, okay, what is the need of learning JavaScript? Okay, very simple, very simple. Any answer? Hey, experts are there in our session. Yeah, good. What is the reason for that is JavaScript, the biggest facility is it will work on client side, it will work on server side. Okay, it will work on client side, it will work on server side. Browser can understand JavaScript. Okay, our browser can't understand Python, can't understand Java. Remember this one, Java, Python, these kind of things we should use in backend only. But front end, yes, happily your JavaScript is going to be helpful. Angular framework is based on JavaScript. React is based on some TypeScript, something like that. Yeah, clear, right? Midun, what your doubt? Yeah, then what is the servlets? Servlets and JSPs are okay. Just for backend, we are going to use Java based. Okay, remember. Okay, that's all, friends. This is about the complete story of Bootstrap. Okay, then we have to talk about JavaScript in the next session. Be ready for that.